Vanakkam, Namaskara, Namaste. Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, we will see the function REPT, that is repeat, short form for repeat. Okay, this function repeats a piece of text a specified number of times. So you need to specify the text to be repeated and how many times to repeat it. Okay, so let's see with an example. Here I have some symbols. So I wanted to repeat the symbol 5 times, 10 times, whatever number of times I want. So instead of copying this text and pasting for say 50 times, if I want it for 50 times, I have to paste it for 49 because we're already there. But with the formula repeat, REPT, we can repeat as many times as we want the particular text. So I want this text to be repeated 20 times. So I'll select this text to be repeated and I can put comma and number of times. I said 20. So it will repeat 20 times. Okay, close the bracket. See, it has repeated this 20 times. So if I want to repeat this one, repeat this for 30 times. I just put 30, enter. So let's repeat it this time. Instead of selecting cell, we can directly input the text also. For example, I'll say repeat, repeat, open. I'll select this text within inverted comma, I'll put, and how many times I have to repeat? I'll say I can say 10 and close the bracket. So to repeat it. Yeah, see, equals to repeat this 5 times. So I just put 5 times. Now let's see one example, another example. Here we have sales figures. The sales figures we can create a histogram, the graph kind of thing with this data using repeat. So here it is 8,60,000. We cannot repeat that that many times. We can repeat but you cannot see the graph. So what I will do, I will delete. Sorry, divide this by say 10,000. So when it divides by 10,000, so it becomes 86. This will become 24, 48, 77, and we will repeat by that number. So I'll say equals to. So I'll say repeat. The text we want to repeat is a special character. If you look into my previous videos, one of the videos where I put explain about the character formal function, it specifies a particular brings out this specified character. So uh, I'll put a particular character, one character number. So that is a special character, like a box kind of thing. So I want that to be repeated by number of this figures. So comma, how many times this divided by 10,000? So it will become 86. So this divided by 10,000 and close the bracket. Enter. See? So character one which I had given is the special character. This one. So it is repeating that particular character 86 times. So I'll just copy the formula down here, here, here. See, with the repeat formula, we are able to create a graph, small graph with a sales figure. So visually, you can look in which quarter we have more sales. Here I have used the combination of repeat and CHR, that is for character. Yeah. So that's all in this video. I'll see you in next video. Until then, it's bye from Saravanan Jayaraman.